Hello guys, this is Miss Segman. So what are we going to do today? We're going to lesson 7.1, what is account statement. If I'm going to try to give a lessons to all the papers that you got on the packets from all the lessons, all the homework. If I'm skipping one, it is because I think it's really easy and self-explanatory. But if you have any problems with that, please let me know so that I can help you. Okay, so what is account statement? It is a credit card. Okay, it is a card, card authorizing purchase on credit. Okay, you don't use the money, you use a credit card. Okay, so what can you buy with a credit card? Okay, you can buy, to goods and services. I can buy food with this one. I can buy, pay in the restaurants. I can buy plane tickets. With my plane tickets, I have this one. It is from the same, from Bank of America. It is from the same one. It is American Express. I'm sorry. It is this one. Okay, and I use it. It is a travel rewards. Okay, and I use this one to buy, for the plane tickets. And when I go to Mexico, I use this one. It will give me points, but it's a different kinds of credit card from the same company. Okay, so I can buy buy food, restaurants. Please don't use it to pay the bills. Don't use that, because your account is gonna go higher and higher and higher. So you need to pay the bills with your debit card or cash. Okay, please, I would recommend that. Okay, cash and advances. Okay, so you can go with, I can go with my credit card. If I need cash, I can go with my credit card. I can go to the ATM and they will give me cash. Not the cash that I want, okay? Or all the cash, I will say, all the cash that I want. No, it's not that. On the bank statement, it tells you, okay, you can take, okay, for a line of credit of 5,000. What is line of credit? It is the amount of money that I can use my credit card. I will say that. I don't know if I have that. But it says cash in advance that only can give me $300. I cannot take more than $300 on my credit card. Okay? So it's not going to take you, you're not going to be able to take the cash for all the money that you can use the credit card. Okay, they tell you on the statement. And make balance transfers. Okay, what make balance transfer? On my phone, and then I couldn't show you because I'm using it for recording. On the phone, I have the Bank of America app, and I can make a transfer from one account to another one. Okay, so from my savings account or my debit card, I can make a transfer to my credit card. So that I'm paying for that. So you can use it as well, like that. Okay. And there's another one. It calls a charge account, which I make a mistake, then I show you that. And this one, companies like dealers, like JCPenney, like Kohl's, Target, even Walmart, a lot of companies, they offer you this kind of credit cards. Okay, because what? Increase the sales of that, because you said, okay, I'm gonna go to the store and I'm just gonna buy a Target, I'm just gonna buy so and so, and once you're at the store you ended up buying more, which is really good for for those companies. And because you don't have to pay cash, you just have to use a credit card. But you have to be careful with that. Once you have a credit card, you have to be careful with that. And the companies, of course, they make a good sales, but the companies as well, they need to pay to the bank a percent of what you are using the credit card. Okay, so what is account statement? It lists all the items that you purchase in another transactions. It shows all the activities that you make when you use your credit card for 1 month. It tells you everything, and it tells you the date, the time sometimes. yes, the times, and it tells you where. Okay, I went to, when my credit card, I went and buy, and I paid to the restaurant so and so, and that is the amount. It tells you everything. It describes you everything, everything. Okay, so what did I tell you about be careful when you have a credit card, guys? Because of the finance charge. Okay, and what is it? It is the interest that a company charge you, okay, if you don't pay the whole amount. And I'm gonna give an example, like you spent $300. You use your credit card, you went to buy food, you went to restaurants, or you went to buy clothes, and you spent $300. And at the end of the month, or the due date, you don't pay those $300 in total. Okay, if you don't pay that money, they are going to charge you a final charge. Okay, so you need to be careful with that. So if we use a credit card, it's not like free money. We have to pay that amount, otherwise they're going to charge us a final charge. So like I said at the beginning, we just going to use one formula, which is really, really, really easy. But most of my students made a mistake on the adding and subtracting part of the formula. So you need to pay attention with that, because one little mistake and you can have, even there is one formula, you can have your answer wrong. Okay, so in the example it says this. Okay, Alicia, she's a credit card holder, and she had a statement shows a previous balance of $217.58, a final charge of $226. Why she got a final charge? Because she didn't pay the $217.58. She didn't pay it all, so the bank is charging you a final charge. And she even went and buy, new purchases, totally $141.37, and payment of $50. Okay, that's why we noticed that she got a final charge, because she just paid $50. She paid something, but not at all. So we need to find what is the new balance. So there we go. It is to find the new balance. I'm going to abbreviate the names, so it will fit on this. Okay, but I will tell you, it is the previous balance. It is on the homework as well, plus the final charge. Okay, plus the new purchase, and minus, the payments. Okay, so in this case, what happened? She has a new balance of $217.58. I have to add the final charge. It is $2.26, plus she went to the store and buy something else, so $141.37, and she made a payment of $50. Okay, so this one is very different than the other card. So this one, the final charge, you always add it. Why? Because this is the money that you owe to the company, to the credit card company. Okay, so this is the money that you owe. It's not the money that you have in the bank. It's the money that you owed, which is totally different. So at the end, I'm adding those three and subtracting the payments. So at the end, I'm gonna have $311.21. It's not a money that you have in the bank, guys, okay? It is the money that you owe to the credit card company. Okay, and this one, it is New Balance that you have to pay. Okay, so that's what is very, very important for you guys to know, what is an account statement when you credit card. Okay, so I hope you know this one helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a good day, guys. Bye.